Mafia, and this is the Kokwasa na fight corruption.
The shit.
Eti Obia only godfather MPP no and the prosecutor no to say Kwabena Agyapong only godfather. Can't you think of it? Pacho, President Mahama na kase mie na no ankase so oba power oba prosecuting na nabi. Producer play that video no mami. President John Dramani Mahama, candidate of the NDC. Ekachre Ghana for nyina say when you be chinantuma ono Mahama nkwade he single-handedly mentioned the name of Nanabi.
Abanfo we ubedi kunimbiom.
Nanabi we. Say you tunu for say manen kasa. Yes man Nanabi on kasa mbwa. Nanabi men kasa. Na wan yesa ubiebie wano kasa kasa. Wan ha wombefa. But politics, corruption, organized crime. Say it with the kasa brabra no me enchidia. And ye never start abokro no. No, you see, enuntina enema e koso no e de koso no. Mafia, ye da sore ya say Wontumi a aban aye brase. Yen kokwaye mu koye galamsey. Abrantie no aye galamsey. A criminal offense. Aban we action. Attorney General we ought to me see obi no betime to for imagine dida. Attorney General open negotiation.
Ghana for
yeah, that's sorry ya. Attorney General na oye press conference e wo chairman Wontumi ho. Ghana for muntie me yi o. Attorney General oye press conference e wo chairman Wontumi ho. Ebobo chairman Wontumi di niema waye. Se koko board kura amani sika. Ya mani contractor. Went to be an yen sika ne ko. Yeah, that's sorry ya. Dominica Yeni SC Oni asembia tia and the ordinary court koyede Ghana for money who you Ghana for baby o and ono Dominica Yeni nanka so ya Attorney General and beka che Ghana for ina so the Wontumi court Emma Roger obeshe me nkom wa ha I don't know ebeshe Wontumi nkom so obeko 15 years anamwa na Roger ti baby am afiatie o say ohun 15 say at Dominica Yedi nanka so ya Attorney General ne say emra oni asem bia tie Wontumi le adan menya Ghana ni bio because say the one we never be president and is for Ghana when say yes ya the Jimmy betum afia konwa no so and number 1 number 2 Ghana Can I go deeper? It is a say no. There's no case against Wontumi. It's the Attorney General says yes, I want to be filing defamation against you. How would you answer? I am Munti and Mahama MC. Yay. Pacho. Okay. Nana be case na ko say. Press here. Sir Mauto. Oh, I don't know. Say my position ho. Sir, aban to send this aba power. Na ye maw positioner. Ade asese wudi kan yes say ya must position say wo kohwehwe assembly president no tab no ye candidate no waka afa baby a ye de ahye won sa no na wa ye ho adwuma it is what is a president I can be about a Greek no ya Greek minister quickly MP quickly EPA quickly no akwohwe no wa ye ho adwuma John Dramani Mahama can say Nanabi die One be prosecuted no anambo. When they inform me to Mahama about bibia na sa nipa na dwen ye ne say na be ye part. Jáil. Ana John Mahama na kasa document be no kan ye. Oh I don't know. Ah ohun say. Eye na be at the fa bibi. Ah, a whole opposition leader, a former president, and the current president. Ebien ano can say Nana be their producer of video no.
Ghana for. Watch no. Watch it braye.
Are they freeze? Hey, no one knows say aso.
Sunday na salvo for the no. It's a crime, it's a criminal offense. Na minister of party was so in jomo nyomo. But criminal offense in new expiry date. And this ba na be no santo for no years ano. The becho matu.
Mira say. Sa NDC ba na be and in Crawford, yes, sad, you know. You bet your matum. Say, watch this carefully. Nana B or Godfather when people.
Watch you know.
And I will explain to you. You understand?
Watch it, Braye.
Time now that you DJ Akufo Addo Nana B or SHS 1.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nana B, me yini channel. May be 46, Nana B ondi 44.
Baye.
Right? Nana B didn't want to tree Chairman FF Anto, Chairman Amankwa, two most powerful MPP Ashanti regional chairman. Nana B, Tamana Owusu di Dr. Kwame Addo no. Nana B fi school bar, not the one between Owusu, not the one to treat Addo. Nana B, at the Wuchi, Honorable Isaac Osei. Nana B, Shasia, the Wuchi, SK Buafo.
Mashisha Wache.
The first Ashanti regional minister under J. Akufo, who became the chieftaincy minister.
Mashisha Wache.
Oriano, Ansana, Honorable Isaac Owusu Ansa, Obedi, SK Buafo, Adeyano, Obe Wuono. Now Kutanana Bimu.
Mashisha Wache.
No, the tree J. Akufo.
Oh, me patrol.
She the Nando pa.
That's if we nasty.
Eti Nana B or Godfather. Or politics.
If it's your me TV should that.
What's it?
If it's your me
fathers. Or politics Mukuma.
Mashisha
Na
Wache.
ade bakwa ehunu se Abraham obi o Godfather bia no obi bone a okofri.
Jáil.
Eti former deputy Ashanti regional minister and KMA boss Honorable Osesibe only Godfather when people me na catch one neck because Osesibe was a confused guy. Taba no journalist no trauma is it Kumasi Mail or Pania no trauma one of these newspapers oh Kumasi Honorable Osesibe na who so Akufo boy or Akufo Addo boy it's Osesibe no be anim baby ojina politics so there as say we you anim no be who baby a who belong to any political party no nipa or party ni mu a you belong to him eti Osesibe wo hwa ha asekufo wo hwa ha ase nanado and Kwaku the man be deputy minister no I think it's nanado
Oh, I don't know.
Obey deputy minister Ashanti regional minister MPP no ko KMA boss and nanado eti ase oye kufo ase oye nanado but he's not any of them. Osesibe he's not any of them. Oye njejem or to say me ni Godfather Esro eja me who kufo as my father different eti Osesibe only Godfather nti NDC fuache no okoda sell how many days ano nyobi man bail
Watch no.
okay said nam send na ho no wo so
Watch
wa
no.
America see atab na ba
Watch it, Braye.
said nam see ache no watch this
Watch no.
yachi honorable Osesibe yachi said nam na bi graduate nam Ghana ha ya onam Razak national security anim onam Yoko ayi akware fa say
wachi no
Raymond Atta onam Raymond Atta anim onam IGP anim but obi antimi chi na bi adenta na bi owo God fathers what do sako kan pepepa ye won krofo abefa o mo phone
wachi no wachi braye
Ayɛka because emre bia na Akufo Addo di mani wo krom ha no ye chi me ba ko bi di me call wana ante ama loss so wa bre o se me tokosu ama ante ama loss betena ayi daddy no me say ante bi oni me senu ama ko kuma se won ko akoma ante ama loss ba ya no betena na bi
emra emrofo ye
11 ante ama tena ho saa ma ne bo anadwo 8 ay man bail
gwen
we say man bail o ye de mi kotum wo ho na we afa no phone we pie say na papa pani bi o tesoro ho ba bi afa wo say ti de mo de ye akwade tieye
o ka bibi sesi aso ye be chi wa
ye o ka no le mo de ye akwade tieye
ojai
obi fa phone no be aso so de me kwa kwato sell
gwen
na bi wo godfather joma ma o nche no
o ka bibi sesi aso ye be chi wa
the president so Wontumi on nche na bi me ehwe
e ma peni no ma peni man ka sa ho
on one kan yo so wadi 1 year ana joma ma ni 1 year o say na bi ni won a producer bobium
ma peni man ka sa ho
say ebi betu Saturday na salvo for the year no it's a crime, it's a criminal offense na me say I'm a party was to do omo nya omo dey but criminal offense in new expiry date and this ba na bi no salvo for no years ano e be choma tu
President John Dramani Mahama Wakeri. Last 2 weeks I said it here. Sir, we are minister, head of department or head of an agency. Yes, well, president in UEP, go to the chief of staff. He's the first person you must go to. Sempacho, my ministry, my department, my agency. A day and the president can't say obey. Oh, then you begin to work. How many NDC appointees? Na ko Julius Debra was say, my ministry there na John Mama kai. Bakumpo. Ente reshuffle na eba no eye me deno. Ente kasaka by now attorney general initiative process. If not for anything, I say to be na be 3 days near Jano.
Uka bibi sesi aso ye be chi wa
to make sure say asem na papa ne kan ye no. You say political campaign. Assembly will become a promise and 1 year to be the 2 abatia. Befia, Professor Christopher Amiyawe Kumfi, I am telling you, some Mayor Dofo. Papa no were the minister da, but only Godfather when people.
ojai
Amiyawe Kumfi. Why MP Damba? Sunyane ho ba mi ba mi akufo yam pipi ni ba e bisa question ho an ka kire o da so adam bo tinko bibia Professor Christopher Amiwe Kumfi
ojai
o yam pipi pa
ojai
e bisa question ho an ka kire o Messi ne papa o ye serious and compromised
ojai
Professor Christopher Amiwe Kumfi ne papa or a serious die-hard Kwame Nkrumah supporter. Ne papa or a die-hard JJ Rawlings let the blood flow supporter. Men can be biabium. Whether he died before the coup or he died after the coup, men are make catch. Professor Christopher Amiwe Kumfi only Godfather and one people. It's a chin tomb 3 weeks. na Professor Christopher Ameyakumfi or that cell. Hey, Professor Christopher Ameyakumfi, Ghana for Muteni, former MP, former Minister of Railways and Harbours, former Director General, Ghana Education Service. Now the time, position very man. No, something. Four solid positions. Ya chenatum. MPP ni bi ntbi anko wan command bill. Woni bi ntia. Only Godfather. Man what is Sammy we kumfia yini. Mafia.
Ojail.
Osafo mafo oda wo Godfather e won bibi.
Ojail.
Hakman obuso ade. Man, oda wo Godfather, obebo dimbi, you can never arrest him. Obebo dimbi. You run away from him. Because Sadino say Obo. Net course no start to say a floor IGP will be silent. The current CDS will be silent. Razak or a small boy. You can never come close. Wontumi call. Eh? It's a Bible see dimpa. Who here? Chawhe, nipa bi hold you achi a won ko jail da. Mr. Menche Jáil Akufo. Any media general penny for Akufo Addo dem kotum. Cause I thought I'm in Akufo. Me wo mo chi na man Akufo da wo. Yes you did. MPP na mu no, ye won Akufo wo. Just a phone call away. Now one day I am Musa, former National Security Minister, Kandapa. One day, you came in and my friend, I'm saying, Can, it's what to walk. And I sense I was saying, I'm matching me painting, and I would walk. Kandapa, what to walk. And I will share the meaning. And Sam Akufo Addo, say, Anna Mecano, Sam Akufo Addo, no. Or did you all ye no, all ye tell me, woo, Kandapa, and to what to walk. Okay. Match now, 2 minutes. That's a captain, you can go. Wait. Tie. Nyame o marandi abe nyanse bia de ye koko. If say koko when dia emfifiri. It's the Bible say for the lack of knowledge my people perish. And Bible be anywhere be tomatoes. Efifiri e wo quota so.
Ojail.
Mo pass say am fa aglo formula. Na studio ha. The trebi ani ha every day. Yade seminar paper studio ha. Na aglo form mejira ha mompaye 3 years tomatoes be efifiri wa ha. He e be before ye jimi. Na naso me ba adwuma. E san say ye jimi nti. Ade ye de suban yo no ye de mpaebo na ye. And I did them pie boy, no, you did Subain a it's James McKeown back Ghana, Mafia, may me Church of Pentecost, soft penia udikain, may his perfect soul rest in perfect peace. Mafia, or buy no better apostolic, so no. Na or yare malaria. James McKeown or Bruni, all the way from Glasgow, Manchester, somewhere, or back Ghana. Paddy Yenya, a 3D, or call hospital, near friend Chiribentua. You see, your man in call hospital. And then a county and a Church of Pentecost. If you're apostolic, it's one of the reasons. Also, me call hospital because you are really one paibonsa. Let me sit here and tell you. And you are really nan paibosa. Utia we yabebreya. What you mean so? Because in so yam paibo. Nyamina boy.
Ojail.
A global studio have a bomb pie. I am telling you. Everything. A global gifty. After you does it. Oh, yeah, PPD. Hey, hello.
Be a glow.
Minimum. Jáil Akufo Addo. So here, GJ President.
Be a glow for Jesus.
Ojail.
Gifty after you does the MPP ni mapa. On to about Mendy Sida. Me mami, I respect you as a person. Te. Obuoni ani die bi e de ma oba pani me wo because when him say ye kwa no ma bu ni kunu hotel na ye kodai
Jáil.
okay
Jáil.
ma eba no buo ene ani die me de be ma say me mame a me de be ma but politically we MPP din
mo afade anya fita fa bobuzela enu white handkerchief bra nye radiaye be aglow for Jesus
me say gift ya fe ndaze o MPP din ba ponto aba ma ndi si da
Jáil.
2024 kwa to aba ma Bawumia
we
former Asante region CPP chairman na ye president Emma Aglo
Pilate said unto them.
at the time I me corporate general secretary regional secretary of the Convention People's Party so when him ma contest CPP elections da the nipa na me ne contest no mafia me hwa me te Fox FM me ye adwuma bo so yitua me ka minua no ne ntua ne ka party so de o party officer national chairman ba kakra we ba ho kire wo ho kakra and I'm say there be ma redraw men ko election ni bi wo me pesa won so didi na me so yitua me ka na me so didi even that obiti me 12 votes
we
me withdraw from the election 1 week and no kura no obiti just 12 votes regional chairman former regional chairman of the Convention People's Party na ye Aglo president why now be MPP for
be aglow for
and
Jesus
MPP ke ko wo me UP for enti koko samsabi ni ti pa and I give to you as a friend some money come on pay Emma koko mami empire be ni asase so because empire mu nyedu nchen Pentecost chairman
mo afade anya
empire mu nyedu nchen eye Assemblies of God chairman empire mu nyedu nchen apostolic chairman wo ina ko isi region ko jira galamsey site ko bomb empire enu achi kura de galamsey ko soro efi say empire bo ade edi suban eyo no ye mfa empire bo nye
mo afade anya fita fa bobuzela enu white handkerchief bra
o say debia NDC wo power pa na growth wa sorry
be aglow for Jesus
Aglo eye MPP wing to say we NDC ni ba men siase da
be aglow for Jesus
so we MPP ni amen kwa Aglo meeting bi ada these guys come MPP for and fear what na Aglo way
be aglow
from 2017 to 2024 na Aglo away but enya wonti na me ba he we en common ketenkete o me nko me ni issue do so afetie no ti asem o kan
Let's continue with the prayer.
One ya no one solid.
Oh my goodness. Who any our wants a BBC.
Oh yeah, him abana no I can no go e pae.
Now let's bring our cocoa sector before God.
Waka koko jame home ba no ncho here.
That every reform initiated
I can no pay no he na ke ba.
will be assessed by God.
No children che ba mommy.
Say Odibi Beka Wana obey BF.
Aka ke ko ba fata hello e ba je
That as the repository of wisdom,
na ono akasa emma wonyansa.
he will guide the managers of the industry
Na wa koko industry no mo no akasa ba hihye wo no akyere wo.
to implement that which will move the industry forward.
Na nia ebema adwumadie na kɔ so wo ho no eno na omonye.
Bonsa Bompai.
Tróuble no so.
The enemy cannot win in this whatever reform Jesus. That which is not needed.
In Jesus.
Stakeholder engagement to go see. Some discussions will produce amicable solutions.
Then many 20 fake man to like fair Kwabena Agyapong. No choba no fair no ayapepe.
Bonsam bompa.
Mafia, Jesus Christ does not live in salvation. Yesu onte enkwajim. He is salvation. Listen to me. God does not live in wisdom. He is wisdom. Yesu onte enkwajim. Anyesa enkwaje ye kuro. Ena Yesu tim finfin. Gabby. Yesu nankasa no oye enkwaje. Eti ya say mamenka die mehunu ene die matinchre wo anopei edwada mekrada Jesus one yenkwa. Jesus is salvation. Jesus yenkwa omankwa nimu eti Yesu onte nkwajem enkwajem mom na ti Yesu GH bi mai ubaba boy Jesus yenkwa. Jesus yenkwa. He must be in the Jesus yenkwa. Christ is salvation. His life. It is a Christo ni bia that house. I say enkwaje Yesu te nkwaje Yesu ante nkwaje biam. Christ does not live in salvation. He is salvation. It's nkwaje no wonimu. To Jesus yenkwa omankwa nimu no nti nkwaje ne ta Yesu. I blow for MPP for after you does the shots, I say, who are near Kabehu, Madam Koko, any spiritual connotation be a wheat. Well, laptop say, I say, soon be everywhere say laptop. Soon be a near Sassiswa or say laptop. I'm ready, my friend, and I could be Krum, and not a construct could be Cham. Akra, happy birthday. Ne Kweku bichama di 105. Ego mo touch mine. Be dimirika na me hwa ne mintimi nkon kosra me nana no. Tie nura pa na me call touch mine. Na me kosra Kweku. Na me ka chense Kweku, happy birthday. Me ba se me besrawo. Kosra me nana wadi 105 enne me nana wadi 105. Emre bi ye ka chere me se me nana wofa. Your friend Kwame Dum. Na Kwame Dum we di aduro saa na na esu afra. Obi a na ne afra otumi ka onto gotam. Kwame Dum. Wani. Ego mo cheche ba bonche so wuni ma me ka kire wo. Me huni pa o. Kwame Dum jogi. Ye ka so obi ko jogi a. Kwame Dum obi a na ne afra onkuta aba. Gwen. Edu awia onkuta aba. Edu anadwo an onkuta aba. So obi a na ne afra. Kwame Dum ko dabisu. Akodan neka muntem yi na ne afra total blindness papa de figo mo atachiman wan to gotem efia da wi kete no ye muslim okobo koya ne salary no 2 na nan okoda bisu kodan neka obi a na ne afra onkuta ba Oseme di mirika na ko da bisu. Ba ko da meka meje misika ma ba. Mantwa mrem. Na owola ala wanyin. Iya metu mirika ya dimachi. Yo kan ne say onu anani efra no. Odi mirika ko da bisu. Wakoda ne ka. Waba. Na wo a wo se wo ani no aya otu mirika. Emra ade ache a aya tu mirika bi di na chi. Na obekira wo se wanyin chen.
He is smart. He is unique.
Ya say time na na nim free aye no. Ofa aka na mate ni ka se ne nsesa no mfa ma no. Na meni ho. Yes na wadi be 35 that time na wo agi. Ya be wo me be tell story no. Tis omo bo akobo tashola Kweku bicham Uncle Boy Uncle Kwabena Bindi Obatan omo bo ameboa. He
is unique.
Nipa 7 so omo bo ameboa.
Captain Smart.
I'm saying of fan and Timana no bobo on Timana gu ho not Tinantiman so yesi ka na ntu. Ma me yi na ka to say nya no koreda. E card na betu. E bia na mate ni the chalk ato ase.
Captain Smart.
There's no juju that can stop science.
He is smart. He is unique. He is smart.
Sanga kro ma be for trap play kwa bro check on better to form. And sit that. I glow for your MPP for. And this about power pen no master that bobo man no master that psychological move. Me fear adia power sasisu psychological confusion of identity.
Be a glow.
So we have security. There's something we call PCI. Psychological confusion of identity. When you are psychologically confused of who you are, you can never protect yourself. You can never protect yourself. Eti, who share said I grow for you now. And this is power pen must start bobo man no. Because mpenifo bu baby ato say wo buru nsuo ntama na wani ye kokko. Mo say 2028 they won't win election but mo boa man no for 2032.
Mo afade nya fita. For bobu say
na NDC for so di Jimmy. Eti ho Jimmy.
Ojail.
Ukoka bibia dollar ko form. Na na do the free SHS buy from 2017 free SHS. 19 free SHS, 20 free SHS, 2021 free SHS, 22 free SHS, 23 free SHS, 23 the free SHS kukuru nanado any Bawumia ma almost whom 44 42 kura 39.9 kura. And then this first to say okay dollar ko form but your dollar no ko form no enrama me ko gumo touch mine me hu dollar ko form gumo touch mine
maya na manye
me hu dollar ko form gumo touch mine
someone ana
eti dollar no ko form e nkran so nya Ghana
gwen
eti and this from bed for mama dream na ho na glow for asase a glow de o asase no we wie nkran o de be ko Kumase
Ojail.
a glow be ko Kumase a glow every Kumase pe be fe oni baby omko ko for odo ewu chiame ko for dia Jackson's Park or so Jubilee Park
Jackson yeah
mo afade nya fita for bobu zela enu white handkerchief bra nie radia
I'm from Aremeyaw wo so akosan ya ta to bo ma mehwehwe
mo afade nya fita mo afade
when we nkran obekọ Kumase ehọ na okoka koku ase because Kumase adan e wo hofa e koku sika na si owie pe na obese kokofo dua
mu affordable
ehọ su koku farmers o adetra grow onko voter region
ni Ghana di ni ye pa enam center
adetra grow onko voter region
Ojail.
sanka grow nye MPP machinery a ese so kogo mu atakwa cause ehọ so ma ho
Ojail.
ese kogo mu ahiem e ma ho
Ojail. Ojail. Ojail.
Finally mama nye we intem na fe bi nsoro nko eti so who gift here for you that's a pet or your pseudo MPP women organizer
Mid-year Thanksgiving service for Ghana. Afim pemu afa.
Sama mi we kwa ma hwehwe nsa wo ye ho ya.
Mo afade nye fita. For Vuvuzela enu white hand.
Baby afade nye fita. With the blue goose so pet no wash a red shoe.
Mo afade nye fita. For Vuvuzela
enu ufa fita ne pet. Wo de kuta blue hanky. Na shampabo akoko when you MPP.